Abolobolo Naka Kriket na eponitosiso mero itomona unilu kwa Uganda kere nesiabu itegiari kana sabiti kosoroti teso nesie sipeja bolobolo na iruana na sodi kojaiki na isomero kwa penat budo SS iganga girls gulu high light SS ulila high kaicheda toma Apollo kinito na bolo Naka Kriket Felix Musa na ngesia bala ebe apotukesi ongi chutu teso kwape arina ibecho kina noi aisipeja abolo na narai ejiatari Abolia kalu ejokuka.
And this is the first time this tournament is being held outside Kampala, and we are so honored and privileged that the first time it has happened outside Kampala, it has come to Oroti city. Oroti, I think, earned the right to host this tournament because of the good work that has been happening in Oroti. Our girls have been excelling very well at cricket, with Oroti defending champions for 2 years consecutively. I think these results prompted the association to come and check out what's good in Oroti.
Apollo kinito na Abolia show kosomera lo St. Mary's Girls Madera Charles Edward Osida kangesia pola ya lamanui kanuai sipeje Abolia na Kriket osomeroke.
And we are very privileged to host National Girls Cricket Week 2023. It's a good time. We never expected this to happen, but we really want to thank UCA.
My girls have kick-started, but I was expecting much from them, but most of them were sick. They were complaining of a headache and stomach ache, but I'm expecting much from them.
Actually, I'm here observing what's taking place in the area, and I'm a sportsman myself. My field is football. I do girls football and boys football, but I'm taking interest in watching nationals of cricket in Oroti for the very first time. One of the things I've observed is that the game is so good for the girl child. It's a relaxing game.
We're playing with Mount Resori SS. Just know it was hard. This over has been hard. The last 3 overs were just hard and they're putting us on too much panic. We thank God that we have won.
Not of much.
Where do we come from? Where do we come from? We are the Shivalem. We are the Shivalem.
Tanuka TV is Solomon Neramu Oibuga Oroti.